job today in Redfern. Basically just doing MDF cleanup and upgrading these blocks. As you can see, it's a little messy here. They've been having some connectivity issues, so I'm just going to clean all this up and I'll show you when it's done.
A few moments later.
And that's it. That's the after. Bit of a tidy up, eh? Hey guys, it's Jason here from Telecom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.